Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna explain you. Well, first of all, sorry for my English. I'm Spanish and my English is not perfect. Well, I will do my best. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna explain today how did I fix the axial 24 crawler motor, because the other day the motor stopped working and I tried to buy a replace of the motor, but it's out of stock here in Spain and in Europe, and I tried in the United States, it's out of stock. I tried in China, it's out of stock, and anywhere you can find it. I heard it will come, it will arrive next motor on March the 11th. So it's not too long, but I can wait for it. I need it today. So let's go. Well, I'm not explaining how did uninstall the motor, because in YouTube there's a lot of videos that explain how to uninstall the motor and replace and blah blah blah. So I'm not gonna explain it. As you can see, here is the motor, the original motor without the sticker, because the sticker is here. So I added a dispeller. I did it with a big computer dispeller. I cut it off, and glue it here. So now the heat dispels much better. So what I did is I opened the original motor, and with a polymeter I realized that the bobbin inside the motor were in good condition. It worked. So the problem was not the rotor. The problem was the brushes. The brushes in the original motor are really thin, and with a minimal amperage they will burn out, and that's what happened to me. So I took a cheap motor from a car of my children's car that was broken. Don't break your children's cars, please. I took a cheap motor like this. It's bigger than the original one, but the brushes can be used to replace the original crawler. So to dismount the motor, I took it with grabs, so it didn't move, and with a hammer, with soft push, hit it 3-4 times till it opens more or less 1 or 2 millimeters, and then with a screwdriver or something pull until you can open it. This is really easy to open. You have to remove these things, but the original in the crawler is not as easy to open the motor. You need a hammer. We take care not to bend the rotor. So soft push softly. Okay, once you open it, there's something very important, and is that here there's a washer that you must take out. I'm gonna try to show you. Okay, it's a mini washer, mini washer that you must take very care of it. See, it's really small, and take it off. You must take it off the motor and don't lose it, because it's very important. Let's put it here. Okay, then you must take out the brushes on this motor. It's really easy to take them off. Take them off and put in the new in the axial motor. It's not easy. I'm gonna tell you, it's not easy at all, but you can do it. Okay, put the brushes in the new motor, and when you have them in the new motor, you have to close the motor. This is a critical point. To close it, you need to close it in this position. Never this position, never this position. Just this position, this way down. Because in the inside part, in this part, inside there's a hole where you must put the washer, the mini washer. You must put it in that hole, and then with very care you must watch that the brushes doesn't bend or doesn't put in the wrong way or something, because I tried it more or less 10 times, yeah, since I did it correctly. And I closed it, and when I install it in the ESC of the crawler and throttle it, sometimes it didn't turn, so the brushes and the washer wasn't in a good position. Reopen it, replace it, and try to close it till you get it run smooth. Yeah, I told it took me more or less 10 times till I did, because sometimes it didn't turn, sometimes it turns smoothly done, but when I throttle it, I think the brushes turn and stop working or sound strange, like not the smooth sound of the car, like it's so it didn't work too good. So as I told you, it's not easy, but you can do it. Now I'm gonna show you how it works right now. You can see it sounds almost the same as the original. Now you can see it works perfectly, and well, that's all. It works. I hardly recommend to put a hot dispeller, so that the motor doesn't burn again. It's another hard working job, but the motor will be happy with you, because it won't burn again. And with a bigger brushes, surely the motor won't burn out again. So if you find this video helpful, I'm glad. That's all I want to show you how did I fix my car, and I don't have to wait for the new stock to come, and I can continue driving it today, right now. So thanks for watching, and that's all. Maybe if you have any question or you need more explanation or something, you can send me a message in the comments, and I can put in contact with you, and if you need help, I'm here for help you all. That's all, and good crawling. Bye.